In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your Base44 integration with Zapier. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to confirm that Zapier can successfully talk to your Base44 account, and you'll be confident that your automations are set up correctly before you rely on them in your day-to-day work. First, make sure you're already logged into your Zapier account in your browser. It's usually easiest to do this on a laptop or desktop so you can clearly see all the options. Once you're logged in, head over to the section of Zapier where your app connections live. This is where Zapier stores all the linked accounts for the apps you use, including Base44. On this page, you should see a list of your connected apps and accounts. Look through the list until you find the Base44 connection you want to test. If you have multiple Base44 accounts connected, take a moment to double check that you're selecting the correct one, especially if you use different accounts for testing and production. Next, move your mouse over the Base44 connection entry. On the right-hand side of that connection, you'll see an icon with 3 small dots. These dots usually indicate more options or a context menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the menu for that specific Base44 connection. When the menu opens, you'll see several options related to managing your connection. Here, look for the option labeled Test Connection. This is the built-in Zapier tool that quickly checks whether Zapier can still access your Base44 account with the credentials you originally provided. Go ahead and click on Test Connection. Zapier will now run a short check in the background. This may take a few seconds. During this time, Zapier is verifying that your Base44 account is reachable and that the integration is still authorized. When the test is complete, Zapier will display the result next to the connection. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a success message confirming that the connection is working. If the connection test passes, you're good to go. Your Base44 integration with Zapier is active and ready to use in your Zaps. If it doesn't pass, that usually means something has changed with your Base44 account permissions or credentials, and you may need to reconnect the account from Zapier's connections page. And that's it. That simple test is the quickest way to verify that your Base44 integration with Zapier is functioning properly before you build or